There was a time when your neighborhood service station was a trusted place, where everyone knew you and knew all about your car. They took good care of everything, and they were all about taking good care of their customers. Byron Rusk opened RMS Auto Care in 1980. He had a passion for providing world-class service, technology, and talent. They're still located at 1759 Westheimer at Woodhead, and trusted neighborhood service is still alive and well at RMS Auto Care. After all these years, they still believe in taking good care of their customers. RMS Auto Care, still that trusted place.